These are all the birds we'll see. We're on a bird trail today, so we're gonna walk this trail and see what birds we can find. So today, right now, we are walking on the bird trail in Andrews. See how many birds we can see and everything. So yeah, we'll see.
We're walking. No, we're not walking no 3 miles. You can walk your 4 miles.
Oh, look at those sunflowers.
No.
They're so pretty. See? Sewer water goes here. Here's Birdie complaining.
Don't push it out.
Eventually, we'll get him. See the little birdie flying? I don't know what that is.
I bet that's an eagle.
You think so?
I think so, even though there's no eagle.
Let's see. Oh, there it is.
Now we're going.
We are done with the bird trail. We're heading back to our car, and then we're gonna go do somewhere else the rest of our miles. Okay, we are at the Andrews wetlands now. Okay, Birdie is walking. So they have 2 paths, but I didn't get to see how many miles this is if you take the longer one.
Now I get another called wetlands. Because it's so. I'm just gonna continue walking.
Okay, that's fine. I'll meet up with you.
I'm just gonna stay here.
Okay, so this is City of Andrews disc golf. So this is what this one is known for. And all that is just throwing frisbees in baskets, like that one. The little birdhouse. Oh, look, another little bitty frog. Okay, so today I almost let Birdie talk me out of walking, which,
What?
you know, I've been missing Sundays and I would have been fine, but then I realized he needed to walk and I needed to walk, and so I'm glad we came out because we went to a bird trail that we've never been to, and we came to this Andrews Wetland Park, and this is fun. We saw some creatures and stuff that are awesome. So yeah, it's actually really nice. That is awesome that we have a fitness court. I know that they were doing some free classes for fitness, but I don't know exactly where it was. I think it was here. I don't even know if they're still doing it. So if you know if they're still doing it, go ahead and leave it in the comments. I wonder what that white thing is. I think it's a duck. I'm not sure. Once we get over there, I'll take a better picture. Okay, this is what you do on here. It's pretty cool. Someone left a sock. Oh, look, there's a sock and a water bottle. The only duck here.
Yes, I'm doing this. After this mile, there will be 1 more mile. So for my mom, after the 3rd mile, we will do a 4th mile for my mom. Which means that she would have to do more. Stuffed maybe. If she did more stuff, probably not perfect. But whatever it is, we're about to find out what my true strength is. Stay tuned to find out what my true strength is. So, I caught a tiny frog, but I didn't just show you. I'm gonna prove it to you. It was more over that way than over this way. So once we catch it, I'll let you know. Just stay on the camera and watch till the end to find out where the frog is. Mom, come over here. I think I found a lizard.
That's not a lizard. That's not a lizard.
What is it?
I don't know what that is, but
I found a rock lizard. Whatever, just keep searching. Oh, Mom, come over here. Look, a tiny frog.
get it?
Look. Look, there's a tiny frog.
Where's it at?
Right there.
Where?
Oh, it's moved.
2.00 miles. Average
Tiny
pace,
frog.
15
Okay,
minutes.
ready? Come on.
I think I found a snake. I think I found a stick. That looks shaped like a snake. But it was only tiny. So you all found the frog, eh? This is the end of the show until we get to our last mile. Okay, folks, we're gonna have to pause the video here.